In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can use a share code for events and, of course, enter in a map code here in Forza Horizon 6. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, you do need to start by opening up the pause menu. So go ahead and hit pause real quick and tab over to Creative Hub. Once you're on Creative Hub, you need to open up the Event Lab and then you need to choose Play Event. Once you're in the Event Lab, go ahead and, of course, hit the search button and search for whatever, event you want to play. Let's just go ahead and say I want to do this one right here, though. Essentially, once you find the event that you want to play, what you need to do is look near the bottom. You're going to see an option for view event information. Go ahead and select that button, and then you're going to see the share code down at the very bottom of there as well. So essentially, just go through here. Once you go ahead and enter in the code or have the code, essentially just go to search and then select share code, enter in that code, and of course, you could start playing it right away. That is the full process. It really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.